Come on. Hello, students. I welcome you all to the first class in AutoCAD. I welcome you all. I think we will wait 5 minutes for the students. After 5 minutes, we will start our class. All the students are requested if they have any question related to any command. If they don't get a command, they must do a comment. The earlier day, the students have asked how to install AutoCAD, and this message is for those students who have not yet installed the AutoCAD. They must contact me through personally. I will give him the setup and will guide him next day or other day, inshallah. Uh, all the student must send their roll number in comments. Those students who are online, please write their roll numbers in comments. Still 1 more minutes remain. I will do wait for more 1 minute, and then we will start our class. Yes, dear student, I think we need to start the class. Before starting the class, I would like to introduce with the AutoCAD. AutoCAD is basically the software uh, prepared or made by Autodesk company, which have already made in engineering field. But our work is today with AutoCAD. As you are seeing on the screen, I have installed Autodesk AutoCAD 2016 version. I prefer all of you must install the version 2013 and so on up to 2020 and 2021. It depends upon your laptop or your PC. Starting with the basics today, uh, first of all, you should be you should know what you are seeing on the screen, and I don't think so. This is so important that you should introduce with these all names and the logs. You should learn what you have to learn. I means you are civil engineer, you are surveyor, and you are another field. You know need about the software. You just have to do work, like you have to draw plans, you have to draw shapes, and so on. Okay, today the first step. Okay, I before starting the class, I will prefer you must have a notebook and a pen with yourself, that you should note every command. The first command you ever have are doing to start a SketchUp, or you are doing to make sketch. The first command is to make units, the setting of your units. Unit is the basics. All the drawing will depends on your units. Okay. For starting the unit, I will let you say the command. Command you have to click on U N enter. You are seeing on the screen UN enter. Sorry, I have written UN enter. Okay. When you click on unit, you will see drawing units, this pro forma in front of your screen. If you are working in decimals, so this is mm, already set in decimal system. If you are using architectural drawings or engineering works, I will prefer you to use architectural drawings when you are making plans and different types of building drawings. So I will select architectural, and this is a precision. Precision means you want to set the units in more detail or not. So I will select one up to 8 inches. This is good. Okay, then you have to click on OK. I will click on OK. Your units is set now. This was the first command, unit un enter. This was the first command. You must write it on your copies. The second command is d enter. The dimensions style of your manager, you have to set all of your modifications and your settings, your styles. So for in dimensions bar, I will go to modify. This is the second step. You have to go to modify. After it, you see primary units. In this you have to do the same as you have did in the last step about units. I have set the architectural last time in last command of units, so I will do the same here, and I have selected 1 by 8. This is your unit class. So if I explain it to you, you may be confused. So we will okay then. press OK. Our primary units will be set. And after OK, you have to set. If you don't press the set current, your unit will not be set. You have to press the set current. It means your unit is set. Now you have unit number second. You have done the modify command. Now, if you have done the two settings, now you will have to draw lines. I will let you draw to how to draw a line. Okay, line is drawn by many method, but the simplest method is to use the commands of keyboard. Remember the command. You will be, if you learn AutoCAD by command, you will be able to draw, plan, and draw any shapes using any version of AutoCAD. If you are familiar by using shortcuts, then you may face the problems by using other version. Okay, we will start from command. The command of line is L. Enter. Remember, the enter and the space bar both do the same job. If you press L enter or press L space bar, it both do the same job. Okay, what he shows in command bar. See here, he shows that specify first point is where you want to start your line, from where you want to start your line. If you have a point, then you click there. If you don't have a point, you are starting from a initial. You simply click on anywhere. So I click here. If I have a point, or if I want to make a proper drawing, so there is other procedure for that. I will explain that procedure when we are making our plans according to our limits and according to our page. There we will do a proper setting. Okay, before selecting the first point, he the command bar, see here what he say, specify next point. He says me to specify your next point up to where you want to draw a line. If I move cursor, it moves. See, it moves. I have clicked here, line is drawn. I if and see, the command bar is also the line command is also continue. If you want to remove, if you want to draw just this one line, you want to remove this command, you will simply click space bar. See, our line is dismissed. Our one line is completed. If you want to repeat again the same command without writing L enter, you simply click space bar. See, line specify first command. It means that line command is repeated. You will specify first point and move your cursor where you want to move. Suppose I want to make here and here and here. These are lines which I draw by using L command. Okay, the second method for drawing the line is to use the shortcut. On the screen, you are seeing the shortcut, the C at the cursor line. This is the shortcut of the line. I will click on it, and when I came back to my desktop, he says me, orders me, specify the first and move. Where is your second point? Move on. This was the second method to draw line. Okay, this was the third command of a line. Okay, I will explain one thing extra in regarding to the lines. What is that? That is, if I am drawing a line, for example, I am drawing a line. He says me specify first point. I have click on the first point. You see, it can move in all direction. If you want to draw a line in x-axis and y-axis only, you don't want to draw a line in any angle. You want to draw a straight line in x-axis or y-axis. Simply, you have to click F8. F8 is the shortcut of ortho. Ortho means to draw a line in. If ortho is on, it means you are drawing a line in x-axis and y-axis only. For example, let's see. Okay, I have started the first point. I will click F8. See, if I move my cursor up and down, but it don't try to move in any angle because I have my ortho is on. If I move this side, it will move upward in x-axis and y-axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. See, it is not drawing a line in any angle, just in x-axis and y-axis. That is the command. We called it ortho. You can also draw ortho command shortcut from here. You are seeing restrict cursor orthogonally. You can click here. See, you can now draw a line in any angle. If you don't want to draw